Linear function. The function f defined by f of x equal to mx plus c, x belongs to capital R, is called real function where m and c are constants. Okay, so the function of type f of x equal to mx plus c is called linear function. Okay, m and c are constant. Here x belongs to real number. Okay, real number means minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, so a function f defined by f of x equal to mx plus c, x belongs to capital R, is called a linear function where m and c are constants. Okay, let f equal to 1 comma 1 2 comma 3 0 comma minus 1 minus 1 comma minus 3 be a linear function from z into z. Find f of x. Okay, so in this problem it is given that the function is linear, so f of x equal to mx plus c. Okay, so the first step is we have to find the value of m and c. Okay, and then plug in the values that we have found in the previous step in f of x. Okay, so here we have to find two values m and c. Okay, so we need any 2 points from this given f, that is f is equal to 1 comma 1 2 comma 3 0 comma minus 1 minus 1 comma minus 3. Take any 2 points to find the value of m and c. In this equation, in this question, I am going to take 1 comma 1 and 0 comma minus 1. Okay, so since it is one of the point is 0, that is x equal to 0, we can easily find the value of one of the unknown. Okay, so here, so it is said that the function is linear, so we know that linear function is f of x equal to mx plus c. Okay, so for linear function f of x equal to mx plus c, let y is equal to f of x, put the value of f of x value is mx plus c, so y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, so let it be equation number 1. Okay, let y equal to f of x, the value of f of x is mx plus c, so we can write y equal to mx plus c. Okay, so now take 1 comma 1. Okay, so at 1 comma 1 1 comma 1 means in Cartesian coordinates we have x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. Okay, plug in the value in equation number 1. So equation 1 implies that y is equal to mx plus c. Equation 1 means y is equal to mx plus c. In y we have 1, we have to put y equal to 1 and x equal to 1. Okay, so now this equation becomes 1 equal to m into 1 plus c. So 1 equal to m into 1 m into 1 m plus c. So 1 equal to m plus c. Okay, so m plus c equal to 1. This is equation number 2. Then take another one point from the given data 0 comma minus 1. Okay, you can take any point, but for easy calculation I have chosen 0 comma minus 1. Okay, as another point. So at 0 comma minus 1 put x in Cartesian coordinate we can write x equal to 0, y equal to minus 1. Okay, now equation 1 implies that equation 1 is y is equal to mx plus c, put y equal to minus 1 and x equal to 0. So now this equation becomes minus 1 equal to m into 0 plus c. Okay, so minus 1 equal to m into 0 is 0 plus c. Okay, so from this equation we can get c is equal to 0 plus c is c, so c is equal to minus 1. Okay, so we have calculated c is equal to minus 1. Put c is equal to minus 1 in equation 2. Okay, so equation 2 is m plus c is equal to, equation 2 is m plus c equal to 1. So m, the value of c is m plus c. The value of c is minus 1 equal to 1. So m plus into minus, minus 1 equal to 1. So m equal to 1. This minus goes to this side, so plus 1. Okay, so m is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so m minus 1 equal to 1. So m equal to m plus 1 plus 1. So m equal to 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so f of x equal to mx plus c. We have m equal to 2, c equal to minus 1. So plug in the values, we will get f of x equal to, for m we have 2x, for c we have minus 1, minus c. So f of x equal to 2x minus 1. Okay, so this is the required linear function, f of x equal to 2x minus 1.